Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we explore the most advanced and innovative cleaning technology on the market today. If you're in the market for a robot vacuum and mop combo, the iRobot Roomba 104 might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Today, we'll take a detailed look at its features, performance, and whether it lives up to its claims. The iRobot Roomba 104 Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop is designed to tackle dirt, dust, and even those stubborn pet hairs with impressive suction power and smart functionality. At the heart of this model is a cleaning system that combines powerful 70x suction, a multi-surface brush, and a microfiber mop pad. This allows it to sweep, vacuum, and mop in one pass, making it a highly efficient all-in-one solution for your home. What's really interesting about the iRobot Roomba 104 is its approach to cleaning corners and edges. The inclusion of an edge-sweeping brush gives it a 20% edge in cleaning efficiency when compared to many other models, especially when tackling those hard-to-reach areas near walls and furniture. You won't have to worry about missed spots along edges anymore. And when it comes to pet hair or fine dust, this robot has the power to lift it all, leaving your floors looking spotless. Now, for the smart tech fans out there, this robot's navigation system is nothing short of impressive. With its ClearView LiDAR, the Roomba 104 quickly maps out your space, learning your home's layout with precision. This ensures efficient coverage while avoiding obstacles and keeping away from areas it's not supposed to go. Plus, it uses sensors to prevent accidental falls, so no worries about your robot taking a tumble down the stairs. When it comes to maintenance, the Roomba 104 has made things as hands-off as possible. The AutoEmpty dock allows the robot to empty itself, trapping 99% of allergens as small as 0.7 microns in a bag. This means no more messy dust clouds when you empty the bin. The best part? You get up to 75 days of hands-free cleaning, as the bags are designed to last through multiple cleanings. This makes it a great option for those who want to forget about cleaning for weeks at a time. For those concerned about mopping, rest assured that the Roomba 104 doesn't get your rugs wet. Thanks to its smart sensors, it detects carpets and automatically avoids them when mopping, ensuring your area rugs stay dry while the floors get a deep clean. This added feature means less manual intervention for you. In terms of usability, the Roomba 104 shines. It comes with 3 washable microfiber mop pads, which can be reused up to 30 times, offering great value and eco-friendliness. It also gives you flexibility with cleaning modes, allowing you to choose between vacuum only, mop only, or the combo vac mop mode. You can even adjust the suction power and mop intensity depending on your needs. Whether you need a quick clean or a more thorough scrub, the Roomba 104 can handle it. And for those who like things simple, the Roomba Home app makes operation a breeze. You can schedule cleaning, target specific rooms, set cleaning passes, and even track filter life. You can even create keep-out zones to make sure the vacuum doesn't venture into areas you'd rather it avoid, like under delicate furniture or around pet bowls. There's no question that the iRobot Roomba 104 is packed with features. But like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Let's talk about those. On the positive side, the combination of vacuuming and mopping in one device is a real game changer for convenience. The self-emptying system is a massive time saver, and the app adds a level of control and customization that's hard to beat. It works exceptionally well on hardwood floors and low-pile carpets, especially for households with pets or allergies. On the flip side, while the vacuum is impressive on flat surfaces, it may struggle a bit with deep-pile carpets. If your home is primarily carpeted, you might find that it doesn't pick up as well on thicker fibers as it does on hard floors or rugs. Also, while the smart mapping and navigation are great, there can be occasional hiccups when it comes to navigating really tight spaces. It's not perfect for those with very cluttered environments, as it may get stuck more often in small, narrow spaces. Now let's talk about value for money. The iRobot Roomba 104 certainly doesn't come cheap, but when you factor in its 2-in-1 cleaning ability, smart navigation, and ease of use, it's easy to see why it justifies the cost. If you've been eyeing high-end robot vacuums, This one offers a strong feature set without going into the ultra-premium price range. However, there are competing models in a similar price range, such as the Shark IQ robot or the Roborock S5, that offer strong suction power and even more customization options, including a larger dustbin or longer runtime. Still, the Roomba's self-emptying system is a major convenience that gives it an edge over most competitors. In terms of build quality, the Roomba 104 feels solid and well-constructed. The materials used are sturdy, and the overall feel is high quality. There's nothing flimsy about the design, and the robot's durability stands up to the rigors of daily use. It's also easy to maintain, with a user-friendly bin and brush system. Regular filter replacements and brush cleanings will ensure that the Roomba continues to operate at peak performance. However, some users might find the maintenance a bit more frequent than expected, especially if they're dealing with pet hair or very fine dust. If you need help, iRobot's customer support is generally well regarded, offering quick responses and effective solutions to any problems you might encounter. You can also count on their excellent warranty service, which adds peace of mind for the long haul. So, who is this robot vacuum best for? The iRobot Roomba 104 is ideal for those with hard floors, low-pile carpets, and smaller to medium-sized homes. It's perfect for pet owners or anyone who suffers from allergies, thanks to its filtration and allergen trapping system. If you're looking for a vacuum that handles both floor types and mopping tasks without any hassle, this could be the solution for you. However, if your home is mostly thick carpets, or you need something that can tackle very large areas in a single session, you might want to explore other options. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a review. We love bringing you in-depth looks at products that can make your life easier, so stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. If you've tried the Roomba 104, feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below, or if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. Goodbye till next time, and remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore when you've got the right tools.